is rising. Ah. My thoughts went back to Bob Ross, and I was like, everyone's painting Bob Ross, so why not paint something that Bob Ross painted and follow a Bob Ross painting tutorial? What if I paint something
at 5 a.m. in the morning?
5:55. So I woke up 55 minutes late. Dark outside. Okay.
So here's the story. I got the same equipment that I used for my calculator video. Yes, I have used acrylic paints before.
I literally only have the primary colors, white and black.
I never used the unrealistic real life stuff, so this was something that was very new to me. Anyways, you don't care about that. I was gonna use this really big, thick A3 piece of paper that I found from an old sketchbook of mine in primary school.
This piece of paper here and paint it. Oh, look, you can see my panda.
But that was way too thin, and I discovered that Bob Ross's painting skills would not withstand my thin piece of paper. So the only other thing I needed to find was a canvas. But the only canvas I could find was one with a baby photo on it. Yes, a baby photo. But that was literally the only canvas I could find in my house, so I kind of had to just work with it. I think we're creating like kind of distant mountains tap. Bob Ross made this kind of mist effect that I completely failed at doing. Like, I was trying my best to blend it out, but as a beginner at this kind of stuff, I did not do that quite well. But it still turned out okay.
The sun is rising. Right now I'm trying to paint these trees and as you can tell, it's not going the way Bob Ross has beautifully done it.
I was just a kid, dreamed of nothing big, and then I had to grow up. No one ever said all the love you give might not be enough. Broke my heart into a couple times before it hurt too.
It's so pretty. This is what I've done. I swear it looks, but I'm not done just yet. I have a couple more trees and bushes. So, you know, Bob Ross actually is low-key really inspirational. While I was making this, he was saying a lot of stuff that low-key made me smile, you know, made my morning. So yeah, so I'm gonna finish off this little corner. Look at his, and look at mine. Yeah, you see the difference. I'm editing right now, and the thunderstorm is so loud. It's annoying. I just wanted to pop in, just okay, fine. I'm gonna be a little bit inspirational. But when I decided to wake up early to paint, which was really random, but I just wanted to get a video up for you guys this Sunday. I never expected it to actually have such a big impact on my morning. Throughout the whole painting episode with Bob Ross, I don't know, it just was so calming, and all the low-key said inspirational quotes as well. Like all the quotes that he was saying, as I was doing it, since it was my first time, I was like, whoa, I'm actually painting. This is actually really calming. And when I had finished, it just felt like I had already achieved something so huge so early in the day. It's the sun is out. Yay. Come on, bruv. Come on. Yeah, 7:35. 7:35. Okay, 7:35 a.m. And so I've been painting for about an hour and a half. But here it is. This here is the finished painting of Bob Ross. And this is mine. And so I want an honest experience. This was literally the most random video idea. I'm gonna take a thumbnail picture. Yeah, I'm gonna wear glasses because I'm cool that way. And so I ended up painting a following a whole Bob Ross tutorial on a canvas with a baby photo on it at 5 a.m. But I think after this, I just felt so calm the whole time. Like the way Bob was like just talking through it and stuff like that, and the way I was just following through, and I could literally hear the birds chirping. And it's the holidays, and nobody wakes up this early for the holidays. I was like, this is such a good feeling, and I love this feeling. This right here, like what? I never thought in a million years I could do something like this. And I did something like this. But this felt so good. Like what the heck? I didn't even expect to feel this good. And I'm so grateful for that. So thank you to anyone who watched through this whole video. This was like my first time ever painting something like this. I felt so so calm the whole entire time. Make sure to binge watch my old videos, and I'll see you all in my next one. Love you all. Bye. See you guys.